Hi everyone. So let's take this to grammar and find the first and follow. So how can we find the first of the S? So first of S is nothing but first of capital B. What is first of capital B? A. And if you put epsilon here, then this V will vanish. We got small b. So small b is also the first of S. Now the second production, first of capital S is capital C. What is first of capital C? First of capital C is small c. And if you put epsilon in the place of capital C, then C will vanish and we got small d also. Okay, so first of capital S is small a, small b, small c and small d. First of capital B. First of capital B is small a and epsilon. So first of any variable can also contain epsilon. Okay, so first will contain epsilon in the grammar and follow will contain dollar. Okay, now let's take the production C. So what is the first of C? First of C is small c and epsilon. Small c and epsilon. Now after finding first, let's find follow also. So follow of S is, first it will always contain dollar because it is the start symbol, and then follow of S, search for capital S in the right hand side. There is no capital S in the right hand side, so follow of S will only contain dollar. Okay, follow of B. Follow of B is first of small b. So first of small b is B, and follow of B is the follow of left hand side. What is the follow of left hand side? Follow of left hand side is capital B and follow of left hand side is B. So follow of B contain only small b. Now let's take the third production, capital C. Follow of C. Follow of C is small d and follow of C is the follow of left hand side. What is follow of left hand side? Follow of left hand side is the first of D. So follow of C only contain D. Okay, this is how we can find first and follow of this grammar. Now let's take second grammar. The second grammar is S derives small a, capital B, B. A derives C or E, C or epsilon, B derives D or epsilon. So first we find first of S. What is first of S? Small a. So at the starting point, it generates the terminal small a. So definitely it will contain small a as the first of S. What about first of A? First of A is capital C. Okay. I think it is not capital C, it is small c. Okay, so first of A is small c and epsilon. What about first of D? First of D is small d and epsilon. Okay, now find follow of S. Follow of S is dollar and there is no S variable is present in the right hand side, so follow of S will only contain dollar. Now find first follow of A. Follow of A is in the right hand side. If you see, it contains A, B, B. So follow of A is nothing but first of B. What is first of B? D. So it D. And if you put epsilon in this place, then B will vanish and you will get small b also. So follow of A is D, comma B. Now find follow of B. Follow of B is first of B. It is first of B. So only B will produce. Okay. So similarly, you can practice more examples to you can practice more examples of a grammar in which you can easily find first and follow of any variable. So in the next video, we will see how to construct a LL1 parsing table using first and follow.